What's up, guys? My name is Roman Dmitry. I live in Cambridge, and I'm almost 40 years old. I've been a web developer for 15 years, and I've decided to make this channel to teach you guys how to code, and especially my friends who I've been trying to push into coding for a few years now, and who've come to ask me, "Hey, Roman, how did you get into it?" But never really took that first step. I've always pointed them towards w3schools.com, which is where I learned 15 years ago, and you can still learn today. But for some reason, I guess they don't like reading. So I've decided to make this in a video format instead for them to digest, and hopefully you as well. I was a web developer when I started. I then became full stack, and more recently I became architect. And I absolutely love coding, and I want you guys to see the potential that there is. And I want you guys to see how easy it is to start with the basics. I know there's a lot of information out there, and it's very easy to get confused about where to start, so that's why I'm going to show you. And once you get there, you'll realize that you don't need to remember everything. You simply just need to cross-reference things from Google or API reference documentation for whatever platform or tool or language that you're using. There's a lot of languages out there. Some are more popular than others. Same with frameworks. It's really up to you which one you go for, and whichever one is the industry standard. The nice thing about software development, if you're a positive person like me, is that every 2 years or so, there's completely new fad and a new platform that everybody's using. So if you think it's too late for you to learn, no, you're wrong. You can learn at any time because there's always something new to learn. And that's about it. I hope that you do enjoy this series. We're going to start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then we're going to get into more advanced stuff like containerization with Docker, deployments, version control, scaling, caching, all sorts of fun stuff. Let me just press this button. Wrong button. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoy it.